Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE, General Electric. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where all the annotations are coming from. And truly a beautiful example of patterns and how there is a lot of money to be made from the short side if you follow the pattern that I drew. Yes, that was a falling wedge. Yes, that was bullish, but this is why confirmation matters. This morning, there was a bounce upwards, but look at that. The highest it got was just slightly below the resistance of the trend line. So there was never any sort of breakout. But what there was it bounced up, failed to break out, then came down, and then what did it do? It broke to the downside of the pattern, and you can see the rest of that is history. So a truly beautiful example of why it's beneficial to wait for confirmation, and then how if a bullish pattern begins to fail, well, that can actually present a good tradable opportunity from the opposite side. In this situation, would have been a short-sided trade. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these annotations. They've all served their purpose for now. And now let's focus on some of the near-term levels that are standing out from the technical point of view headed into Monday. So the first level, as far as supports are concerned, and nothing fancy here at all, just simply where did the party for the bears stop? Or in other words, where did the bleeding stop for the bulls? And that's right down here at the round number of $6. So that green line is representing $6. So a lot of people are going to be watching that level. So this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. And when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, that can definitely create some very, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can create some very dynamic movements. So if the price does break down below 6, then it's more than valid thought to have that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. On the flip side, though, the exact opposite is true. If the price can gather up enough strength to potentially get up there through $6.10, again, by no means a guarantee, but a valid thought to have that a breakup above 610 could create some upside buying pressure. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, as of right now, the bears remain in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.